Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making some beautiful fabric napkins using Derwent Inktense blocks and some fabric markers. This gives the look of a bleach pen technique, but it's much easier. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you stop by and say hello. I really do. Are you ready? Let's make some napkins. This dye is permanent, and the intensity of your color depends on how much of the Inktense you use to make your spray. For this particular project, I'm sticking with purples, blues, and greens. Why not try this technique on a dingy white shirt to give it a second life? I love a versatile craft product, and Inktense blocks can be used like a pastel, or a watercolor when used with a wet brush, or a dye like I'm demonstrating here. I've tried and failed miserably to use a bleach pen for this effect, and I love using a white fabric marker so much more. These Derwent Inktense block sprays are permanent, but you do want to rinse out your napkins before you use them the first time. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I'm going to leave a link below to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.